So hello guys, welcome back. We are here back again with our trading setup. Today we are going to discuss on a brilliant option trading strategy which is popularly known as the 5 EMA strategy. So first take a look over how to plan this strategy in live market. What is the setup required to execute this particular strategy in market? We want to setup with a particular indicator known as EMA. To put this particular indicator on chart, just simply click on the indicator section and type EMA. Here you get this indicator known as moving average exponential. By clicking on this, you will get this indicator applied on your charts. By default, this particular indicator is based on the length 9. So we have to simply change its length to 5. So click on setting option, then change the length to 5 and then apply this on the chart. So for this strategy to execute, there is a particular time frame in which we see the chart on live market. So that time frame is 5 minutes. So for this strategy, we have to find a setup like this. If market forms a candle above the 5 EMA line and the very next 5-minute candle closes below this particular candle, this is our setup candle. This is our confirmation candle. So this one is our entry candle for our trade setup. We have to keep in mind these three things. First, a candle should close above 5 EMA, then a candle crossing the low of first candle. We would get a direct entry on the very next candle like this. For this particular trade setup, our stop loss would be above this candle. Maximum we have to plan 50 to 60 rupees stop loss. Against this we have to plan 150 to 200 points target. Minimum 1:3 risk reward ratio because in this particular setup stop loss hits frequently, but you have only give 50 to 70 rupees as a stop loss. Against this you get a 200 rupees target, which is pretty good. If you hit 2 stop loss in a day, you should close your setup. So now look this particular strategy on charts. We basically use this particular strategy on Bank Nifty only. So time frame as discussed, we use 5-minute time frame. This is the market on 25th of October. So now let's discuss how this particular setup works. So here at the levels of 41,329, we have to take an entry for a short trade. So as you witness on chart, our stop loss is at the levels of 41,370, a 40 rupees SL, against which what we get? A clear downside trend of near to 200 points. So this is how this particular strategy works in live market. So hitting a clear target of 200 points gives a risk reward ratio of 1:5. Here Bank Nifty made a low of 41,109. Again this particular setup is formed at 2:50 PM. This particular candle closes above 5 EMA. Let's zoom on the chart so you can see clearly what I am saying. So here this particular candle closes above 5 EMA and the very next candle crosses its low. So our entry candle would be this and stop loss is at the levels of this. Entry at 41,334 and a stop loss at the levels of 41,390. So a 60 point SL, against which we get a Bank Nifty low of 41,030. So here we get a target of 300 points, against which our stop loss is 60 rupees. So this would also have 1:5 risk reward ratio setup. The first thing you must care about this particular strategy is you have to give SL to market. We get frequent SL in this particular strategy, but when we get a reward, we should hold our position to the maximum limit. 1:3 is the target for this setup, and if you trade with multiple lots, you can cover 70% of your position at 1:3 and then trail your position. Also, I am starting a new series, a 30-day live trading journal based on this particular strategy in the month of November. I will regularly post at evening how this particular setup gives an entry and exit plan in today's market session. So from next month we will regularly post a video on this particular 5 EMA strategy, so you can get more points on this particular strategy, how to take an entry, how to place any stop loss and how to hold your position. For more on trading we will discuss on next videos. Subscribe to our channel for more trading related content. If you like this video, please share with your friends who are interested in trading. Definitely post your valuable feedback in comment section, so that will help us to improve more. So that's all for today. Peace off.